All right, this guy, Jay Froman, says he made this much, $144 in his first week promoting this photo job side hustle, and it's with a free landing page. So I'm going to test it, and I'm going to teach you exactly how he did it and how I'm doing it so you can try it yourself. Here we go. So it's promoting this website here, Get Paid to Take Photos. We're going to send photographers or anyone interested in getting paid for their photos to go to photo jobs. And I'm going to give you a free landing page and the free product to give away. So you can, everything you need is going to be all free, and I'm going to give you that in the link below this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to give a free product away to our leads. So that will entice people to opt in so we can follow up with them and promote this website. And so what I use is something called IDPLR, and I'm going to give you a free, it's totally free. Let me go over there right now. So this is idplr.com, and you just log in to get a free, and you can do 2 free downloads. And we're going to search for under free ebooks. So we go to free ebooks here. And I find that if you give lots of free stuff and value away, you build lots of trust with your in relationship with your email list. So we're going to go and search for photography. Search. So I just put in here photography and search, and we're going to look for any free products that we can give away and use as our own. We can do anything with them. We can give them away. We can sell them. You have all kinds of licensing rights, and there's a whole bunch of neat stuff. And I think this one right here looks good. New make money photo flipping niche blog. We're going to use this product right here. And if there's other ones that you like, you can use those instead. And we'll click on that. We'll just download it. And we'll go right here and we'll just download that to our computer, and then it's set. Okay, next step. So we're going to use that a little later. We'll get back to that. So the next thing we're going to need is a free landing page. So for a free landing page, you can use my free 14-day trial of Builderall, where you get all kinds of free bonuses. You get a customized strategy, you get affiliate email templates, you get a private group chat, download my high free converting funnels, and everything is worth about $1,288 in value, but you're not paying that today. You get everything free, and you can just download it right in that link below in my video, and that will give you this free landing page that we're going to use to promote this product. So let's go over to that now. So once you download your free bonus Builderall, it's called Builderall, so download Builderall. Okay, so once you log into your Builderall, you're going to see a page that looks like this, and we're going to hover over at the top here to apps, and we're going to go and scroll over to Cheetah Website Builder. We're going to click on that. And we're going to bring up one of these free landing pages. They have thousands and thousands of landing pages, and I found one that I really like for this particular site that's free, and you can download. So when you get to Cheetah, it's going to look something like this. I have a bunch of funnels already on here, but yours will probably be blank. We'll just roll down to the bottom here where it says unpublished, and it says right here, I'm going to hover over create new site. We're going to hit create new site, and then you'll have professional or smart. We're going to choose professional on the left there. Click that. And then once you bring this up, okay, you want to go and search car squeeze page. I find the car squeeze page looks really good for this. So just search for that, car squeeze, and you'll see here car squeeze page. You can preview it. We're going to select this. Go ahead and select that. We're going to save it. And it's building your website. And once that comes up, we're just going to copy and paste 2 little words. So it'll look like this once you've loaded it. And we'll just skip the tour. Now we'll go here and edit that page. So hit that edit button. So once we get your landing page open, it's going to look like this. We're just going to simply copy the heading from the page we want to promote right there. So I'm just going to highlight that, and then I'm going to just simply paste it into here. Control V or Control C, Control V. Okay, and then we're just same thing. The other heading, start selling your photos today. Back. All right, so that's done. We don't have to do anything else. That looks starting to look pretty good. Now we're going to remove this car. We're going to replace the car with that. I remember we downloaded that IDPLR, that free product. So we're going to replace that. So we're going to go in, get rid of that car. So to do that, we just select the car here. And then once you have the car selected, you can hit the pencil. We're going to edit the element. And just scroll down, and you're going to change the image. And we're going to upload the image that we downloaded earlier. So the products that we downloaded earlier from IDPLR, that free product, we're going to open that up, and they have two different cover pages. One is a transparent one, so we're going to choose the transparent background. We're going to upload that to our website. Okay. So there, we replaced the car with our own free product now. So now it's looking pretty good. We'll just kind of fix it here a little bit, make it a little smaller. So you can just move it around and select the size by just pulling the corner of it. We can change the corner of it, move it around. There, that's looking pretty good now. Perfect. So now it's looking nice. We got everything we need. We got the free landing page. Everything's ready to go. So we're just going to hit save that. And there's one last thing we need to do. We need to add it to a list, and then we need to add to our affiliate link. So to add it to the list, you just hover over where it says email or first name, that white space there, and we're going to set the link. So hit that chain link right there. And we're going to add in our affiliate link right there. Okay, so that's how we get paid. So to get your affiliate link, you're going to go over to ClickBank.com, okay, and you'll search for photo jobs. That's the product, and it'll give you an affiliate link. You just simply say, okay, I want to promote it, and then you hit that. Okay, you put in your username. So mine was Rob Gordy. And it creates a hop link, and we're going to take that. I'm going to copy that. We're going to insert that back over into our website on Cheetah. Save. Okay. And then we'll save it again. All right. And then the last thing you do is you're going to set a list. So you go over to the gearbox. I set a list. And you might want to make just a new list for this. I usually just use my regular email marketing list. Okay. And then save. And then that's it. Okay. Then we're all done. Make sure you don't forget to hit this little home button at the top left, save and exit. If you have any problems with any of these steps, you can message me and I can help you. Sometimes people message me, they have extra questions. And then we're not done yet. We have to hit republish. Now your landing page is ready to go. So after you've republished, we're just going to hit these three little dots, go to the website page to check it. Yep, looks great. So everything's good to go. So the next thing is we need to start sending people to this landing page, okay, and to start collecting emails. So to do that, we're going to go over to TikTok. So once we get to TikTok, we're just going to simply search for photography. Tricks. Okay, and we want to download this video without its watermark. So we're just going to copy that URL right there in the top. Go over to TikTok downloader. And I use snaptic.app. So that allows us to download TikTok videos without a watermark. We're going to paste the URL in there. Okay, so we have that video. Then the last final step, we're almost at the home stretch. Just hang tough. We're almost done. We're going to go over to Pinterest. Pinterest is great for photography. So once you open your Pinterest, you just upload that video that we just downloaded from TikTok here on the left. To do that, you'll just create a pin and then upload here. We'll put in a title, and then you can put a call to action right here in the description. So something like something similar to the landing page. Learn how to earn money with photos. And then we just down here at the destination link, we want to send people to that new website that we just made to collect emails. So we go back to our Cheetah, and this is the website we just made. Click those three little dots, and we want to get the URL for that. So just to get that, you just go to click the go to URL, and that's what we want. That's our URL right there. So copy that, and we're going to paste that into the destination link. Okay, so if anybody likes this video tricks and they want to learn how to make money with photos, they're going to be able to click that link and be taken to our landing page so you can earn money. And that's the tutorial, how to create it. So I'll let you know how the sales go with this, and let me know as well in the comments how you found this video, and if you were able to make some sales, that'd be great. Let me know. All right, good luck. Talk to you soon.